In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Google Sheets, step by step. Let's jump right in. Open a new browser tab and go to sheets.new. This shortcut instantly creates a fresh Google Sheets document for you to work with. Once the blank spreadsheet loads, look up to the top left corner and click on the words Untitled Spreadsheet. This will let you rename your file. Go ahead and type a clear name for your spreadsheet, something that describes your project tracker. Once you have typed the name in, press Enter on your keyboard to save the new title. Now move your cursor down to the sheet grid and click on cell A1. This is the very first cell at the top left of your spreadsheet. Inside this cell, type the sample tracker formula that builds your starter layout. Take your time entering the formula carefully so that nothing is missed. When the formula is fully typed in, press Enter on your keyboard. Your sheet should now display 4 columns: Task, Status, Owner, and Due Date. Take a quick moment to confirm that all 4 columns are sitting neatly across the top of your sheet. Next, we need to make this sheet shareable. Look at the top right corner of Google Sheets and click the Share button. A sharing window will pop up on your screen. Inside that window, scroll down to the section labeled General Access. You'll see a drop-down that's currently set to Restricted. Click that drop-down to open it, then select anyone with the link from the options. Make sure the permission drop-down right next to it stays set to Viewer, so others can only view the file. Then move to the bottom left area of the sharing window and click Copy Link. Once your link is safely copied, click Done to close the sharing window. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now open a new browser tab and head to ClickUp. Log in if you need to. In the left sidebar of ClickUp, click on the space, folder, or list where you want the Google Sheet to live. This is the location where your team will access the embedded tracker. Once you select that location, confirm that the Views bar is visible running across the top of the workspace area. We're now going to add a brand new view. In that Views bar at the top, click the plus View button. A Views modal will appear on your screen. Scroll down inside this modal until you reach the section called Embeds. Inside the Embed section, click on Google Sheets. On the right-hand sidebar, you'll see a field labeled Website URL. Click into that field and paste the Google Sheets link you copied earlier. Take a moment to make sure the full link is pasted incorrectly, without any missing characters. After pasting, give ClickUp a few seconds to process the link and load the embedded Google Sheet preview right inside the view. Now it's time to confirm that the integration is working properly. Look closely at the embedded sheet inside ClickUp. Check that your 4 columns, Task, Status, Owner, and Due Date, are all visible and showing exactly the way they appeared inside Google Sheets. If at any point you clicked away to a different area of ClickUp, simply return to the Views bar and click the Project Tracker Sheet View tab to bring it back. Confirm that when you click that tab, the Google Sheet opens directly inside ClickUp, rather than launching in a separate browser tab. And that's the final result. Your ClickUp location now has a dedicated view that displays the Google Sheet you created earlier. The project tracker can be referenced and reviewed from inside ClickUp at any time, while the original source spreadsheet remains safely stored inside Google Sheets. Any updates you make to the spreadsheet itself will continue to reflect inside the ClickUp embed, keeping your team aligned without needing to bounce between 2 separate platforms. You now have one centralized place where tasks, statuses, owners, and due dates can be tracked alongside the rest of your ClickUp workspace, making collaboration smooth and your project visibility much stronger across the board.